always offers us the best of the best opportunities to improve our skills in the long term. From the drama club, Toastmasters club, and also the student council-led workshops as well as engaging events. Westford has it all.
Westford definitely played a huge role in making some of my stage fright go away and putting me in a zone that I wasn't too comfortable in.
I had a wonderful time today at the Student Council Awards, and it was such a nostalgic moment seeing my juniors in the same place as I once used to be, and I also got awarded in multiple categories, and I cannot be more thankful and grateful to Westford for giving me once again a different platform each year, and I'm so proud to be a Westfordian, and I cannot wait to see what these juniors can bring for the future of Westford.
And my journey in the Westford Student Council has been wonderful, and we'd love for you all to tune in and watch the ceremony.
So I'm really happy and thank you to all my mentors and to Westford for providing me this platform of learning and experiencing such proudness and achievements.
Towards the end of it was an honor. I'm going to miss the friendships that I've made, and I cherish them for a very, very long time.
And yeah, it becomes better than we ever did or that Santa ever did.